over 40 years selling hats at some of the largest hat shops in the world, it's my life's mission to pass all of my knowledge on to you guys. Welcome to Hats and Guitars. Okay, here we are. The Capas Headwear Bogart Panama. This is it, guys. I've been selling these for decades, actually. I stand behind these hats mostly because they're very good deal. It's a very good basic classic Panama. Their shapes are extremely classical. Everything they do is classical. They cover all the classic bases. This is the teardrop, the Bogart, with a wide band. It's a more nostalgic teardrop. They do this in bleached. You're looking at the bleached version, which is slightly softer, lighter in color, like an eggshell, and a little bit lighter. It also comes in a natural color. Natural is closer to like a straw or a wheat color. But it comes in natural, and this bleached, like you see here. It also comes in toast, which is a caramel color, almost like the color of my guitar, like a butterscotch. It's actually like this sort of picture this. The natural, but they put a transparent butterscotch dye over it to make it look almost like a caramel with a dark brown chocolate bands. So you've got toast is the third color, and the fourth color, get this, black. So we do carry it in black. If anybody's looking for a black hat, you know, something dressy, conservative, but in a hand-woven Panama, we do carry the Bogart in pure black. So bleached is like an eggshell, like you see here. Natural would be like a cream or a wheat colored. Toast is like a caramel or butterscotch. And then black is, you know what black is self-explanatory, like the color of this band, all black. One of the nice things about the Bogart is the features. All these tags are different features that they have. You can see there's like a cotton duck cloth inside there that's protecting the pinch area. All of this inside there it's hard. So they cover it with a protective, like a safety protection, which basically this is the weak area where a lot of people grab their hats a lot to put them on and off, and they squeeze. So they wind up making cracks in this area. So it's covered in the back, reinforced with this really strong, flexible, sort of like a duck cloth, like a really hard sort of kind of a cotton duck cloth, like very strong material with almost like some sort of plasticky kind of epoxy stuff on the back. So it really forms like almost like a little shell, like a hard protection in that area. So even if you do crack it, it holds it together. The part on the back holds it together, it's glued together. So you're fine either way. The other thing, they have a little protective coating on here against stains and rain. It doesn't mean it's rainproof, but it just protects it, you know, a little bit. There's another thing they have called wired, which is a very thin type of a wire that's inside of the brim, which is like a fail-safe device. So sometimes when your hat doesn't want to stay down, you know, when you're flipping your brim down and it's just flipping up again, it doesn't want to lock to the down position, the wired is a special way to fix that. You basically just bend the brim down in front as far as you can, like really far, just once, down once, really far, and let go. And then it snaps again. That little special wire makes sure that happens. So you'll almost never lose the snap. And if you do lose the snap, you can get it back in just like 5 seconds with that move, the move. I might even have a video about that wired feature. You could look that up in the YouTube search. A lot of reasons I love these hats. Basically, you know, their prices are very reasonable. They're reliable. You always know what they're gonna be. They don't change. You get a lot of bang for the buck, and you get that classic old Bogart style, you know, like a linen suit chomping on a cigar. That's the classic Panama look. These are $195. I charge $20 to give you a hat box and shipping for the US. And shipping can be something like 15, 17, 20, 22 or more depending where you live. And then I pay for the hat box. It's like, you know, $7 or $10 or something. So I have to always got to charge you $20 for shipping. It arrives in a nice corrugated, you know, proper hat box with a plastic handle, and I make sure you have some extra feathers. Capas gives you that one feather, but I'll give you some extra, you know, high-end ones too, that I carry just for that purpose. I'll put in some padding. I'll size it to your size. You know, if a large is 58 to 59 and you tell me you're a 58, I'll size it to 58 for you. And you could always remove the padding, but that's just part of your service here. I usually ask. Most people want the hat size, though. It's just like I'm saving them a step, you know. So anyway, this one's going to get packed on. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit more about the Bogart Panama, which is, to me, it's just like the all-American classic Panama. They're built here in the USA. The straw is woven by hand in Ecuador. They're finished here in the US. And Capas is right here in the next town in Queens, New York. So I actually get my shipments overnight. If you you know, call me on a Monday, email me. It arrives here Tuesday. So if there's something you want that I don't have, like a pork pie Panama, a pork pie boater, a pork pie stingy brim. If you want a 3-inch brim, I do the Pioneer. If you want a center crease, I do that too. We do black, we do navy, toast colored, all sorts of different things. So just hit me up. I also do linen caps, newsboys, and flat caps, real deal ones. I do big apples, boaters, the whole deal. So I hope you guys have a great summer. Can I say kick-ass summer? I think I can. Kick-ass or badass summer. And you guys are the best. Every single one of you. Shout out to all you guys. I love every one of you guys. RB King, to Days, to Al. Good to see you're feeling better, man. To Wes, to Nathan. Hey, Nathan Tuck, you're the best, man. To all the great guys out there. Roger S. Hey, here's looking at you, kiddo. To Dave S. You too, man. Worshker. To everybody, just saying hi, peace, I love you, have a great summer, love one another. Worshker. And if you want to order a custom KTG felt hat or a Panama hat, such as the Bogart here, you know how to do it. You just email me. Let's take them out. Where's the theme song?